let us play a game today. I know you all love to play games.
Yay!
Now, can you see a basket in my hand?
Yes.
Yes. Now, in this basket, I kept few alphabets. Now, I'll be calling the first group A. Now, from group A, I will call Mridula. Please come here. And what do you find in this basket?
Oh, there are many letters inside this.
Yes. Now, can you pick one letter and match a toy from the table?
This is the letter H.
H. H says
Her.
her. Now, can you match a toy with that letter?
H. Is this a horse? Yes.
Yeah, horse. H for horse. Horse.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You should do fast. Let me see who's going to do fast. One
J.
more. J.
J and
Joker.
Joker. Yes.
Wonderful. Stop.
Okay.
Now I'll call another girl from the group. Swagatika, please come and pick one letter. Quick, who is going to do fast? Who is going to do fast?
C for
C
dog.
for very good, very good. And one more.
G. G for
G for
G goat.
very good, very good. Stop. Lakshmi, please come and match the letters. Match the letters. Which letter would you like to take?
E.
Yes, E. E for
Elephant.
Very good, very good.
Elephant.
Elephant. And then one more letter. Fast.
F.
F. F for
Fish.
very good, very good. Mridula, once again come again and
Yes.
pick the letters.
D.
Yes.
D for doll.
Very good, very good.
And B.
B for
B
D
for
says
boy.
the doll. B for
Boy.
boy. That's wonderful. And one more letter is there. Can you finish that?
I. I says E, so it is igloo.
Igloo. Yes. I says E. It is igloo. A says
A.
A.
Auto.
Auto. Yes. This is a auto. Wonderful children. Wonderful. A auto. B says boy. And C says cow. And D says, where is D? D says the doll. And E says, where is E? E says elephant. Elephant. And F says fish. And igloo. And what else is there? Joker. Now the
G, ma'am.
G. I forgot G. G. What sound it says?
G.
Go. So fastest one is Swagatika.